Hello, my name is Glenny Roel Mejia Leiva, and today I will talk about how I think the world will be in the year 2050. I believe that technology will be much more advanced and present in many more daily activities. Artificial intelligence will be used in the medicine to help people and detect diseases in a very short time. I also think there will be teachers created with artificial intelligence. Fewer people will attend churches because I feel that many activities will become digital. There will be robots in homes that will cook and clean. Transportation will also change. There will be buses that will drive themselves without a driver, and some might even fly. Many jobs will be replaced by technology or robots. Finally, I think the world will be more concerned about the environment because if we don't take care of it, we could cause our own extinction. Thank you for watching the video.